Bonafide Hustler here. I'm going to announce the winners of my 31,000 subscriber contest. Won't waste any time. This is basically what random.org told me to pick out of each of my avenues. All right, so first of all, thank you for 31,000, and also good luck with your hotshots out there and make some money garage sale. Okay, so the YouTube winner is a person named RMG Castle. All right, so get with me behind the scenes on Facebook. Send me a message. I will get you Bags to Bucks, the direct link to download Bags to Bucks. RMG Castle. That's the winner right there. Also send me proof that you are RMG Castle, of course. But that's pretty much it. The next one, Facebook, was another avenue that I had the contest on. Chuck Sturk, S-T-E-R-K. You won Bags to Bucks. Message me behind the scenes on Facebook, and I'll get you the link to download Bags to Bucks. Last, Instagram. The winner is Happy Vegetarian. Message me behind the scenes on Facebook and claim your prize. In your messages behind the scenes, guys, make sure that you prove that you are these people, and that's basically it. I'll get you the download link to Bags to Bucks and enjoy it, make some money off of it, have some fun. Now, I'm gonna go edit a hot shot that is awesome. What happened today was freaking awesome. You're not gonna believe it. So I'm gonna go edit that, and I'll see you guys back here on my channel in about an hour and a half. Take it easy. Goodbye.